We need that
I
for the bus?
can't see the dead... My shit's glitched. I can't see the dead bodies for some reason. I don't see it.
It's underneath the bridge in the water.
Yeah, I looked. I didn't see it.
Alright, I'm back at the car.
I'll be there in 1 second. Alright, I'm in. Alright, let's find Mojo and get out of here. Damn.
Like, yeah, this is ridiculous.
Sultan gas station.
What's taking 10 minutes, it's taking like 30.
I don't know where you're at. I ran to the back bridge.
Oh, I know.
I thought that's where you were. You said south. So.
You gotta get your cardinal directions in your,
I don't know how we ended up this far away from him. That's crazy.
We weren't, dude. We were literally, like, right there, sitting to the south up on a little ledge. Right across the river. We're at the South Fulton gas station.
I see you. Come on. To your left.
Alright, heading back in the car. We got one headlight.
Yeah. It's a good one, too.
Wait, what are we doing?
13% food.
13?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I
Should we
found a
hit
little
this
food in
grocery
there.
store?
Someone right there just ran across the street, onto the left.
What the hell?
Don't worry
there goes
about it,
the
we're
car.
good. We can get it out of there. They're right here, up on the street.
You shooting at us?
Yeah.
Which way did he run?
I got him.
Oh yeah, I'm coming up to you.
Heading over to where I heard that.
He didn't have nothing on him. Damn, sorry, yo. Who's running across the road?
Right, well. Me.
That's me. That's me. I just ran across the road. Yeah, that's me.
Alright, be careful with this. Be careful, be careful. Don't get hurt.
Reverse.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah, it's working.
Well, we could strip it, leave the siren on, use it for bait.
Who just pulled a gun?
I didn't.
Oh my god, dude.
Who the fuck just shot at us?
Somebody's shooting at us.
Tire popped.
Yeah, I think it's
Someone
Car
shot
got
it.
the blow.
No, I heard.
No,
Fucking
it's
me.
about
Let
to
me run
blow
back
up.
to the gas station. God damn
Someone
it.
fucking shot the tire.
I'm going to get another tire.
Who's wearing the motorcycle helmet?
It was me
The
on
baseball
accident,
bat.
sorry.
Alright.
I was fucking doing the clicky thing with I had my bow out.
Okay, I thought that might have been what it was. I just got to be sure.
So what are we gonna do about it?
I got a tire. I'm on my way back.
Yeah, do we need to push this any which way? I think you'll be okay in reverse.
Just got to keep pushing.
Are you trying to go backwards?
Looks like the wheels are.
Let me put the tire on real quick.
Hey, Zetsu. That's that Chinese dude.
Yeah, move one of those tires to the back. There you go.
Wait, I already got a tire.
Can
There, we gotta
push the
keep pushing
front
it.
end over. Yeah.
There. Hop out of it so we can push it.
Hey, them dudes that we just robbed for that car, they just loaded up. They're in the game.
Keep pushing. We gotta get this fucking shit out of here.
It's moving, bro. I'm gonna give the back a push in that direction.
It's moving a little bit at a time.
You guys know how to push it, right?
Yeah.
Use your mouse wheel.
Alright, now let's push the back end. Come back to the back of the car. Around the left of the left back. It says 911 right here.
Fucking
say
piece of
get in.
shit.
Get in and put it in reverse. I think it'll go.
Nah, not
You got
yet,
a
not
tire?
yet, not yet, not yet. Gotta get the front out a little more.
It needs a tire.
I already got the
That's
tire.
Oh, okay. We're good then. I say get in it. I think it'll go.
It ain't gonna go nowhere yet.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Y'all pushing it down in the one? Reverse.
No, it's going back in.
I
It's
knew
going
it.
Deeper. It's going deeper.
Alright,
I
hit
knew
the
it.
brake.
I fucking knew it. We gotta push it all the way out.
Alright.
It's going. Just keep doing it.
Anyone got a lug wrench?
Nope.
It's at 89%. There we go. Keep pushing. Oops. If you have your hands out, put tab to put your hands away. Keep going, keep going. No, you're pushing it forward. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Whoever's pushing it from the back needs to come back up here to the front.
Try to back that shit out now.
No.
Push it from the front, yo.
More.
Push it from the
just
front.
Fall right in again.
Just keep pushing it sideways, like down the stream. Sideways, sideways.
I feel like we need to push the back end, like I said before, down into the water.
Yeah, but I think we should.
That way because we're not getting it. We're just pushing it down the side like that. We're not getting it nowhere. Push this side down into the water a little bit. Hopefully it don't fucking go into the water.
Somebody get on the tail.
Oh god, it's going in.
See, that's what happens when you push it on the back. It goes in.
Well, I know it's going in, but we need to get it on flat surface, and I don't think it'll.
There we go.
drown.
There we go.
I don't think it'll drown in this water.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
A little bit more.
I almost had it. I almost had it. Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Go.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it, man. Just keep it up. Looks good. Slow but sure. I wish we could push it while he's in it. That would really work.
I don't think we can push like that, can we?
All right, watch out! I'm gonna try to push. I'm gonna try to turn forward a little bit.
Yeah, I think
Back straight.
You got it. You got it. Oh crap!
Back
Get
up
out.
slowly.
Get up. We can push it up the hill now. We can at least push the front up the hill now.
Push, you fuckers, push! We almost got it. God damn it.
So keep it. Oh, and I hit it. Jeez.
Alright, I'm gonna try it again.
I'm back straight up. Don't turn.
Oh man, that's going in. It's going in. Can you drive it up?
Straight up. Back up.
Nah, he's got to
Can
go
you put it in
forward,
reverse?
Get out. We're gonna lose this thing. We need to push it up.
No, I don't think the car can drown in this.
Really?
I wouldn't take the chance.
Oh,
Watch out, watch out!
Oh, yeah. Let him go. Let him go. Looks like he's getting that son of a bitch. Oh, yeah.
I'd hold it straight.
You guys can't push the car when he's in it. Or at least it won't let me, if you guys can.
Just makes me feel better, I guess. I don't know.
Me too.
It's like, go.
Why not go?
Bitch. I'm kind of pushing on it.
Well, let's
Jump
push
out.
it from the back now.
Yeah, I think if we push it from the back, we might be good.
Kill the engine.
There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
There you go. Oh, well. It's too deep right here. You gotta push. Go. Hold the gas forward.
Alright, push it back upstream. Push it back upstream. We don't want this shit getting too deep. This is hilarious, yo. We're like 4 mechanics trying to
Just
fucking
push it
figure out how
from
to
the
get
back.
this shit
Just
out.
push it from the back. It'll push it up on there.
Yeah, I'm going to town on that right now.
Alright, yeah. We could use somebody to run for supplies real quick.
Oh yeah, crap. I'm at 0% and 41 health.
You're at 0% in what?
Food.
Oh, that's it, yo.
Okay.
That's it. We pushed it too deep.
Get in. Go.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Yeah, I'm at 32% health. I'm gonna fucking die.
I got it!
Go.
I got it!
I need food. I need food
Yeah.
like
Nobody's
Get
got
in!
any
Go.
food?
Let's go!
Here, eat
Fuck
these,
it,
eat
we'll
these
find
apples,
some.
eat
Just
28%.
Just go.
Nobody has one.
27%.
I'm not even in. Go to the
26%.
grocery store across the street.
get in!
The grocery
Oh
store.
my god, dude.
24.
God.
23.
Somebody
I'm
Hey,
sorry,
are you
guys.
running
I
to the
seen
grocery
that dude
store?
run across
Let
the
me out,
road and I
let me out,
fucking
let me
shit
out.
myself.
Holy crap. I'm dying, man.
Hurry.
I got water.
Somebody's in here.
I'm in here.
No, somebody else is in here.
Here, canned food right here. Meet me at the front.
I just got some soup. I'm only at 14%.
Here, right here.
Who else
behind
was
me.
in here? Who was in here?
I'm telling you,
I
I've
was
seen
in
somebody.
here. He's just high.
Rotten apples.
Maybe I was high then.
Here, eat those apples right here too. I don't even care if they're rotten.
All kinds of food y'all missing.
I need it quick.
Come here.
14%. I can't
Where you at?
come here anywhere.
Come
I'm
to
at
the
front.
cash
I'm at the front.
register.
I'm at
Cash.
the front. That's me.
You didn't get that canned meat?
Yeah, I got the canned meat, but
Is this you right here?
I
Yeah,
hear
it's me.
fucking 5 Happy Meals.
Car.
Someone's coming up. They're behind the wall. They're in a blue fucking hoodie, bro. They're behind the wall, creeping.
I told you.
Are we getting in the car?
Right here.
It's me. Where you at?
Behind the wall?
I'm coming out.
Blue behind the
Let's
wall?
go. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Blue
No.
hoodie?
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
I'm
Get it.
building strength now.
He's
Then
down.
you shouldn't have been creeping up. He had food.
Let's
He
get the
got
fuck
signs
out of here.
on everything.
That's the...
You're under arrest.
Wait, who's running back in the store?
Me, I want to grab that food I couldn't eat.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you
that's right.
left it? Oh, hit the brakes. Let me cover him.
I'm good. Let's go.
You got it? Let's get out of here.
Come on, hurry up before somebody else cruises up. Someone with an actual gun.
That's 3 kills for me today, baby.
Dude, we need a lug wrench. This thing's taking a slight beating after that little fucking creek incident.
Dude, that's 3 kills with the 357, dude.
Dude,
Yeah.
let's go to the castle, man. I gotta take a bong hit. All this fucking pushing the car out here in the open shit's got me fucking paranoid, yo.
Yeah.
We need food still, don't we?